Welcome everyone in this platform that is selfless service. This is Pradyumna Singh. I am in front of you. In this time in our country India is facing a vital problem and vital crisis in this pandemic time. And we have seen so many cases of COVID-19. Those are spiking every day. Over the 1 month, we are witnessing the huge spike over the COVID-19 cases and the COVID-19 patients. The patients of COVID-19 are suffering a lot in this time. So we need the oxygen cylinders and oxygen demand. We have seen in the country there is a demand for the oxygen. The hospitals are out of oxygen. The shortage of oxygen has been seen there. This is only on because of the irresponsibility of the government. The government has not managed it all from the previous strategies and the previous plannings. So what we need to do in this time we have to support for the patients. If we are from the different states as well, then we have to then even then having the different state, we have to support for the another state, because the another state patients are also the citizen of our country. And apart from this, this was the information about the request from myself to you all of the people, though those are the citizen of our country, that they don't have to revoke and they don't have to prevent the any kind of oxygen cylinders trucks, and they have to support for that. And here we have seen the new, that is Zydus Cadila company, that is based upon the Ahmedabad pharmaceutical company, and which has got the approval for the emergency uses of COVID-19 patients. And this the vaccine for that is Virafin. Virafin vaccine was is an antiviral drugs, and it were being used for the use of hepatitis C patients. And this is drugs is has the importance, has the significant for having the control in the COVID-19 patients of the requirement of the oxygen. So this is related to the oxygen demand. So we need to apply the concepts in the in the requirement of the oxygen as well as these drugs. This drug has been approved by the DCGI, that is Drugs Controller General of India. I wanna give you the information about the DCGI. DCGI is nothing but the 1914 Cosmetic Act of India. Under this guidance, this DCGI is working under CDSCO, that is Drug Controller Standard Control Organization. This is he is working. He has the authority to work in this organization with the right that he is able to have the license and to check the licenses and to permit the licenses to the to drugs firms, and especially upon the some drugs like we have the blood drugs as well as the vaccines in terms of that. And apart from this, I want to give you the information about the uses of the Virafin that has been approved by DCGI of our country. And the DCGI of our country is VG Somani sir. Dr. VG Somani sir has approved this, and they can claim that the 91.5% efficacy rate has been seen. The first dose, one dose of the Virafin is able to detect the COVID-19 patients and to reduce the oxygen demand for the COVID-19 patients. And apart from this, it has been applied for the adults with the moderate COVID-19 patients. And this is the drugs that is very important in this terms of that. And apart from this, the certainty and the affirmation for these drugs has been made by the scientists. The four types of skills test has been done. The first one is moderate RT-PCR test, and the second is the requirement of the sanitizers as well as the ventilators and the period of the ventilators, and the third is the demand of the oxygen, and the fourth is the demand of the experimental hospitalization. These were the basis of these trials, and there have been three trials for this vaccine. And in second and third trial, 50 and 250 patients have been participating, and within the 7 days they have been COVID negative. They were suffering from the COVID positive cases. So that has impact. The 91.5% efficacy has been seen. So that's a good impact in our country. So I wanna assure you that you can have this vaccine and you can be safe. only because of that. Thank you very much. धन्यवाद.